In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I took one Ikea Rast dresser and made two different style nightstands. While I'm mostly focusing on the two drawer style, I do mention what you can do with the extra third drawer right at the end. The first thing you're going to do is build the drawers of the Ikea Rast. Set those aside and then take out the two longer side boards. Locate the two holes, which are your bottoms, and then measure from the top. If you're doing a two-drawer nightstand like me, you're going to want to measure 17 inches down. I only measured 16, but it's going to work a lot better with 17. Trust me on this one. Once you have the boards cut, you're going to attach the top to these sides. For the bottom, you can use the two extra pieces that came with the Ikea Rast and hopefully the holes from your 17-inch measurement. You can just attach them at the bottom here, and then your drawers should look perfect with a top and a bottom board tucked in nicely. Either way, you're going to want to stain or paint your nightstands however you like. I chose to stain mine with the custom mix, and then I did a couple of coats of polyurethane on the side and then 4 coats on the tops. Because I'd only cut my sides to 16 inches, I did add an extra board at the bottom. This is just a piece of project pine, which you can buy at the hardware store in varying lengths. From there, I just screwed on the tops on a custom little metal base, but you can use whatever legs or bottoms you want. Remember how I said that you can make two different nightstands from one Rast dresser? You're going to take the extra little drawer and the small sides, and then you can add a project panel piece on the top and bottom. Or you can do what I did and put 2 little boards to screw into and use your extra project board as a shelf on the bottom. One thing I should mention is that the drawer glides aren't centered on the drawers. So if you're worried they don't have enough wood left on the side pieces, you might be able to get away with flipping it upside down. Good luck, and I hope this helped you.